In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find file history in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review previous iterations of your design so you can track changes with confidence and clarity. First, make sure you have your Figma file open in either the desktop app or your browser. You'll want to be in the main design canvas view, not a full-screen prototype, so that the top toolbar is visible. The control we need lives in the menu at the very top left. Start by clicking the Figma icon in the upper left corner of the window. It's the colorful F-shaped logo. This opens the main application menu, which contains a set of options for managing your file and document settings. If your window is small, the menu may appear slightly condensed, but the icon will still be in that top left position. With the menu open, move your cursor to the file option and hover over it. Don't click yet, just hover. Figma uses nested menus, so pausing on File will reveal a secondary list of commands related to your current document. If you're on a trackpad, a slow, steady hover helps ensure the submenu opens without closing the main menu. Now, in that submenu, click on Show Version History. This takes you directly into Figma's version history view for the file you have open. You'll see a timeline of saved versions, typically along the right side of the interface, organized by time, and, in many cases, by contributors. Each entry represents a snapshot of your file at that point in time. A quick note on what you're seeing. Figma automatically saves as you work, so even small edits can create visible checkpoints. Version history is a safe, read-only way to explore those checkpoints. Opening this view does not alter your current design. It simply lets you review how the file evolved. If you don't see much listed, it could be a brand new file with limited change history, or your access level may restrict details you can view. A couple of practical tips as you navigate. Wait a moment for thumbnails or previews to load, especially on larger files. A stable internet connection helps since history is fetched from the cloud. If the Show Version History option isn't available, double-check that you've actually selected a design file and that you have permission to view its history in the current workspace. That's all there is to it. Click the Figma icon, hover on File, then choose Show Version History. With those three actions, you can reliably find and review your file's past, understand who changed what and when, and proceed with greater confidence in your design workflow.